This workshop offers to the semiconductor fields the opportunity to understand which wonderful instruments for analytical capabilities have a synchrotron, in particular ALBA, to develop the field. And also it's a hub for the collaboration between public and private sectors.
First of all, we have challenges regarding mechanical metrology as well as optical metrology. And there, in that respect, the optical and mechanical metrology in the offline labs at ALBA can help quite a lot. And regarding other challenges like optical contamination on mirrors and all our other systems, there we have analytics at the synchrotrons. And these can help quite a bit because, well, the synchrotron is an analytical facilities for specifically materials and all other things.
This type of events are extremely helpful for startups like ShineFi because they are able to connect us with the big names of the industry. So, for example, I had the opportunity now to speak with people that I don't know if I would have never been able to speak with in other circumstances, and also to get from them really the pain and the needs of the industry and where we can fit our technology right in order to get to this kind of market.
No, I think these type of events are really important because it brings together people from very different environments that can all contribute, but in a lot of situations aren't in an environment where they can freely discuss the opportunities. And I think there's a lot of opportunities that can be leveraged within the EU community.